Shocking hit and run captured on CCTV camera. The video shows a woman walking on the left side of the road with her baby before she was hit by the car. The incident took place on the 8th of June in Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu. There on your screens, you see that video of that woman who is walking to the left side of the road. She is seen with her baby before she was hit by the car. Now we'll try and get you details of that car. We'll try to flash the number as soon as we get more close-ups. But that's a shocking incident being reported from Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu. There you see that hit and run on your screen. Well, the woman seen in the CCTV footage died after the accident while her baby is still in hospital, is what we're being told. The baby is in a serious condition. One person has been arrested in connection in this case. Shisha Reddy now joins me live on that story. Shisha, this is a very, very worrying case of hit and run that we're showing to our viewers on our screens. What's the latest? Any arrests, any leads in this case?
Well, Vedika, after the CCTV footage was captured by the police officials, they started sending this video on WhatsApp groups, and that's when this particular person who was driving this SUV, where we can see the SUV passes on this particular road in Kanchipuram. The road is empty. In fact, it's in the night time, around 8-9 o'clock in the night, when this woman is walking on the left-hand side of the road along with another woman carrying her baby, and that's when this SUV surpasses, in fact hits her at the time, and then she's thrown in the air, and the baby is in the critical condition, has been admitted in the Chennai hospital, while the woman succumbed to death. So however, this particular person who was driving the car, he surrendered before the police, fearing any arrest. In fact, he didn't know what to do at that time of the incident, so that was the reason that why he went and surrendered.
Shisha, what's the condition of the child?
Vedika, the baby is in a serious condition, because we did see the kind of the accident it is, because as the baby was thrown in the air, and we see the baby the next second, the baby is on the ground. So the baby is in a serious condition, because we do know that the mother has died. So the police have said that the baby will be under observation. However, it's critical at this point in time.
All right, let me just tell our viewers and bring them up to speed with that video that we're bringing to them. Can you see that car there? That's the one that actually rammed into that woman walking to the left side of the road along with her baby. Now this is the aftermath of the incident, where you see the mother and the baby who have been hit out of the screen. You see people running towards them after they realize the impact that the car has had on those two people. The car nowhere in sight. It sped off after that hit and run. Shisha Reddy still with us. Shisha, disturbing visuals really. And what other information do we have about this incident that took place earlier this week?
Well, Vedika, the information that we have is that it happened in Teredi, which is in Kanchipuram, in the evening, late evening hours. We do know that the car was coming. It was not even driving fast. In fact, it was on the corner of the road. And these two women were walking on the left-hand side of the road, and not even in the middle of the road for an accident, something like to take place. So as the car was passing by, and this suddenly happened in a fraction of a second. In fact, the people who were even walking on the side of the road didn't even know what exactly had happened. In fact, the woman who was walking with her didn't know what had happened. So it took few seconds for them to realize that something like this had happened, and that's when this woman was thrown in the air, and we do see the baby lying on the ground, and now the baby is in the serious condition. So yes, however, the police have in fact arrested. In fact, he surrendered himself before the police. And however, these kind of cases are quite rare in Tamil Nadu. Having said that, this is of course a quite shocking incident that's been captured on the CCTV footage.
All right, Shisha, thanks for bringing us up to speed with the latest. Those are disturbing visuals from Kanchipuram. That is the CCTV footage of that hit and run case that took place on the 8th of June.